Hi, what's up, fam? Hi, what's up, devs? Hi, curious minds. It's me, Julius, once again from the Dev Digest, and I have something for the Flutter devs once again. Um, Today, I'm going to talk about something that can completely change how you structure your Flutter apps. And I know a lot of you have your own ways of structuring your Flutter apps. You use your own design patterns and stuff. But today, I know I'm going to talk about the most popular ones, which is the MVVM. Those of you who don't know what MVVM is, it stands for the model view model. Okay, I'm going to break it down for you to understand what it does. So, in simple terms, MVVM helps you organize your code better. Like, think of it like this: instead of you putting everything inside your widget, like the same file, you separate your logic into three clear parts. Okay, you're going to separate it into three clear parts. The first one, which is the model, this is where your data lives. Okay, think of it like you are modeling your data. You are showing, you are giving a blueprint of how your data looks like. Okay, it could be like something like a user, a to-do item, or anything your app uses. So basically, the model just defines the structure of your data. Right now, the second one, which is the view, this is your UI, the screens, the buttons, the text you see, anything you can see on the UI. That is the view. The view doesn't care how the data is fetched. Like, you don't care how it is fetched or changed. It only displays the data, and who brings the data for it to display it. This leads me to the third point, which is the view model. Now, let me say, this is the real hero, right? This is where you put your logic: fetching data, updating state, handling actions, all the business logic. The view model talks to your model and updates the views whenever something changes. Okay, so instead of your UI like being full of logics, you keep it clean and reactive, so that you don't end up like bombarding a lot of things in your file or your view files. Okay, so this gives a clear separation of concerns. You don't have to mix a lot of things in some files, right? And one thing is that the view just listens to the changes of the view model and updates automatically. Okay, especially when you use something like provider, river pod, or change notifier. Those of you who are not new to Flutter should know this. So MVVM makes your Flutter app easier to scale, to test, and also to maintain, especially when your app starts getting big. Okay, you are safe when you are using the Flutter. Yeah, I had a problem starting to understand what MVVM is about, so I'm going to walk you through using something simple to explain what and how MVVM works. Then after that, I'm sure you will have a clear understanding on what the MVVM does and what it's about. Thank you. So let me go straight to my PC and share my screen so that we can start work. I have an app created already, so you know how to create an app. I'll show you how to the folders to create, and then we move from there.